Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ayra GK World. It's an English class. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. She is sitting, cap the chair. The correct preposition here is on. She is sitting on the chair. He is hiding, gap the door. He is hiding behind the door. Ball rolled, gap the bed. The ball rolled under the bed. We are going, gap the park. We are going to the park. The cat jumped, gap the fence. The cat jumped over the fence. Sixth one, I will meet you, gap 5 p.m. I will meet you at 5 p.m. The keys are, gap my pocket. The keys are in my pocket. She walked, gap the room quietly. He walked into the room quietly. I will call you, gap Monday. I will call you on Monday. The store is open, gap 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The store is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.